Look at your screen right now. What you're looking at here is a process specifically, one for developing a new plant-based food product. It's built to be flexible, and Nova AI helps you tweak and expand it as you go. Let's dive in. You start by tossing in your context, company docs, background info, or meeting notes outlining your goals. Then you map out who's doing what, flag your key decision makers, and bring AI into the mix. Now you're ready to get to work. Let's go back to the process. In this first stage, the team works on finding their competitive edge, figuring out how this product stands out against what's already on the market. You can see Nova working right alongside everyone, dropping notes directly into the shared whiteboard. Once the team locks in their positioning, they move on to setting the product requirements. Let's open this work session. In here, we see the criteria. Nova AI takes a first pass at outlining the criteria, asks you questions if more information is needed, and the team jumps in to collaborate and make the final call. The team and AI can work together in real time or asynchronously, notifying the right decision makers when needed. As we can see here, this step required someone on the team to make the final call before AI created the final document, waiting until their input and feedback were provided. From there, Nova turns those decisions into a clean summary document. Then the process continues in the same way. If you've got a review meeting coming up, Nova can prep the session so the meeting is productive and feedback is captured. In this example, as the team moves into testing actual ingredients and recipes, Nova keeps track of notes, gives the process structure, and acts just like another member of your team. Finally, this process works for far more than just this one project: marketing, strategy, clients, team onboarding, management, design, events, products, company goals, and so on. You can save and reuse this setup for future product launches, and if you're starting from scratch, Nova AI can help you prepare the entire process in minutes. Click below to see how it works for your business.